Welcome to what you need to know about online marketing. I'm Allie with the AdWords education team, and I'll be taking you through this step-by-step video guide that kicks off the AdWords tutorial video series from Google. In this guide, we'll define what online marketing is and what it isn't, help you make sure your website is ready to deliver results, and finally explain how AdWords works and what it takes to be successful. Then you'll be ready to move on to the next video guide, where we'll walk you through creating an AdWords campaign to reach the right customers at the right moment and on the right device. To navigate through this playlist, click the next button that appears at the end of each video. If you're watching on a mobile device, you'll need to go to the YouTube video description and click the next link there to proceed. If you have a question at any point, post it for our AdWords experts in the comments below. So let's start with some of the basics of what online advertising is and what it isn't. When you search for something on Google, you'll generally see two kinds of results on the page. The first are paid AdWords ads, which can appear on the top or bottom of the Google search results page next to or under an ads label. AdWords determines the order and position of these ads based on a few things, including how relevant and useful the ads are to what the person searched for, the advertiser's bid on the keywords used in the person's search, and a few other factors. The rest of what you see on the page is made up of what we call organic search results. These are unpaid links to websites with content related directly to what the person searched for. The more relevant the site is to the search term, the higher the link will appear in the list. Your related website could appear here, but your ad won't. If you're an AdWords advertiser, how much you're willing to pay for your ad could have an impact on where your ad appears in relation to other ads when a person searches for a particular term. But your payment will have no impact on the organic search results that person's search produces. Now that you know the difference between paid ads and organic search results on Google, let's find out how AdWords can help you reach potential customers right at the moment they're searching for what you offer. Click the button to continue.